Microsoft to make own Chromium browser on Windows 10. The product initially presented its Edge browser 3 years back, with redesign and replacement of Internet Explorer and modernized the default. The cutting-edge look and feel has satisfied for Edge, but it has attempted to stay aware of Chromium. Microsoft is at long last surrendering and moving its default Windows 10 browser to Chromium. Microsoft will report it gets ready for a Chromium browser in this week. These plans, which are code-named Anaheim internally, developing dissatisfaction inside Microsoft at Edge's web compatibility issues, and organizations and purchasers have been pushing the organization to enhance things. There were signs Microsoft was going to embrace Chromium onto Windows, as the organization's designers working with Google to help an adaptation of Chrome on an ARM-controlled Windows OS. It has just figured out how to run so far with HTML. However, Chrome is presently the most prevalent program overall gadget, on account of Android's prevalence and the ascent of Chrome on PCs and Macs. Chrome has transformed into the new IE6, and web designers have been favoring its rendering motor to streamline their destinations. Google has additionally making Chrome web services, basically on the grounds that it's regularly the first to embrace rising web advances with developers.